look at this fuck. Whoa, whoa. Which one? I got it. Yeah. Come on, man. I'm gonna meet my friend Vlad. We're gonna go make some fishing. Good morning.
Good morning.
So many tools.
It's a warm night in Oslo, and we're alright in this park all alone. I've known you for some time, my friend in need, but lately I found out you're the one I need. Will we always stay like this forever? Why can't I just say I want you, I want you?
Yeah, have a good day.
Bye.
Hi guys. Look.
Stars are shining bright.
This is guys crazy. This is absolutely crazy shit. And it's minus 27.
Your eyes
Too cold. Okay guys, so we are now on a twin Valley Reservoir. This is this lake location between Parkland and Champion, probably southeast area in Alberta. The maximum deep here about 60 feet, so we're gonna find something about 10-15 feet. Okay guys, as you can see, we are be able to drive car here, but it's because we have a oil leaking, so we just walking. Oh, there is some people there. Here, look. Woohoo! We are not alone. Some people, they just making camping here. Freshwater shrimp. Hey guys, look at this fog. Difference about probably 20 degrees already. I have a fish. Oh my god. О, о, хорош, хорош. Ого, о, о, bro. Yeah. Woohoo, babe, this is a huge one. Look at this size. Whoa. Oh yeah. Oh. Oh. Fuck, my finger. She bite me. Oof. Okay guys, this is it, eh? She's so fat. Look at this size. Look at the stomach. This is so happy moment, guys. This is, oh my god, this is amazing. I like it.
60 6 from.
I think we have to release, man. This is baby inside.
Okay.
Okay? Okay, guys, we just released this woman. She's like crocodile. See ya. This is awesome.
Yeah, that's awesome.
So I already set up everything, and then just jaw jacker now. Still need attention. Just like this, and then just stop her. Woo, that's it. Oh shit, it's working. And now, as you can see, my bait just right here, it's a fish. And the higher level here, this is a wake. And as you can see right here, the small marks, this is weed. So it's perfect. It's just perfect. It's even better than in a 10.
I'm not part of your day. I'm not even in your head.
Just a little bit about my setup. Just line about 8-10 pounds, and because of this pike fishing, so I'm doing small wire piece just in front of hook. I'm using Danielson. It's only $2 from Cabela's. I like this price. I like it's short, less visible, because if you install this guy here, we have as example Vlad put the big one with a huge metal stuff, and yeah, this lure not for pike. Anyway, I'm gonna install to Vlad like I install for myself, just small wire and smelts, and we will see. Maybe we can get one more or even 2 fish today. One. Come on, man. Woohoo, man. Good job. How do you feel it?
Oh yeah, it's really strong, but
Big?
yeah, feels like.
No rush.
I see it. No rush. Take it easy. No rush.
Wow, good one. Oh, that's a big.
Do you see it?
This is a decent, man.
You see it? Perfect. Take it out.
Good one.
Good.
There you go. Nice. Nice. One more. Wait, no. Just check, man. Just check. Whoa. No rush. No help you. No rush. There you go. Wait. This is right here. Oh yeah. Just here. Oh, my line. Holy. That's why. Oh, she ate 2. Are you seriously? Are you joking?
What?
Wait.
Open your mouth. Don't touch it with your hands.
How you want me to open my mouth? Oh shit, she ate it too much. Okay, yeah. Good job. Alright.
Good. It shouldn't go down.
Woo! Yoo-hoo! Oh yeah, man.
My God.
Good job, buddy.
My God. Oh my.
Finally, I told you. This is your time, man. You want to measure it? You want to take it? Oh, I think it's small. It's just for release. Small guy.
My first pike in my life.
Oh yeah, man. See you.
Goodbye.
One more, baby. One more. Oh yeah. This is a good game now. Oh. Oh, what's going on? Can you take this one off?
Yeah.
No, just pull it up. Oh, you want to take it? Okay, take it out. Thanks. Okay guys, one more. Like number 4. Yeah.
I see it here.
Okay. There you go. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, boy.
That's a big one.
That's the nice one. That's the good guy. Can you take your scissors or what do you? Pliers? Or what is this? I don't know. Wait. She's open. Yes. Okay, good. $60. 62, no. No, 62. Okay guys, this is 62. This is really not keeper. I can keep after 63. Chest release. Chest release. Okay man, or woman, thank you so much. And you have a nice day. There you go. Good you said check it, man.
Oh, what? Yeah.
Yeah, good you said measure it. It's like 1 centimeter less, 1 inch less for a centimeter. So yeah, we can't. Good job. Good job, brother. Good job. This is insane. It was so nice today. Wonderful fishing. We got a 5 fish, and yeah, first pike for my friend Vlad, which is nice too. I got last fishing first pike. He got it now. Wonderful. So thank you for your watching. Subscribe to my channel, guys, and it's motivate me to make more video. And see you guys next time. Woo!
It's a warm night